If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child throws me with its telepathic display, made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a giant foot.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! There's a kid here! Sweet monster in the sky! Save me!
My home is out and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Keep on getting sharp and ready. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
Be on the lookout for this child.
Niner.
Hey, we're nice! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there.
They'll never find her door now.
What? Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
2319. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
Okay, humans, prepare for decontamination.
Okay, folks, this won't hurt anyone. Thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported